To apply for monetization on your YouTube channel, you need to follow these steps. 1. Eligibility requirements. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Your channel must have accumulated a minimum of 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You need to comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines. 2. Sign in to your YouTube account. Make sure you are signed in to the YouTube account that you want to monetize. 3. Access YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage and selecting YouTube Studio. Or you can directly access it by going to https://studio.youtube.com. 4. Channel monetization tab. In YouTube Studio, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Monetization. If you are not eligible, you will see the eligibility requirements and your current progress. 5. Start the application process. Click on Start to begin the application process. You'll be guided through several steps, including setting up an AdSense account, if you don't already have one, connecting it to your YouTube channel, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. 6. Monetize your videos. After being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, you can enable various types of ads on your videos, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. 7. Review and approval. YouTube will review your channel to ensure it complies with their policies. This review process can take several weeks. 8. Start earning. Once approved, you can start earning money from ads and other monetization methods on your videos. Remember that YouTube's policies and eligibility criteria may change, so it's essential to stay up to date with their guidelines. It can take some time to meet the eligibility requirements and go through the review process, but with dedication and quality content, you can monetize your YouTube channel.